Hi viewers, welcome to Rasavinsuvai. Today I am going to make Puliyodare pre-mix. For that, I have taken 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds, 1 tablespoon cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon black pepper, 4 to 5 Kashmiri chili. Chili according to your requirement you can take it. Haldi powder, Hing powder, 1 tablespoon white sesame seeds. You can also use black sesame seeds. I mean both you can use. Curry leaves. I didn't have black one, so I have taken only white one. You can also add black one. 1 tablespoon tamarind, 2 tablespoon urad dal, 3 tablespoon chana dal, 1 tablespoonful dry coconut. I'm going to dry roast the coriander seeds. The coriander seeds are done. I will remove this now. Transfer this into a plate. Now the chana dal. Everything I am dry roasting it separately. This is also done. I will transfer this into a plate. I have taken half teaspoon methi seeds also. Now I will put the urad dal. Urad dal is done. Transfer them into the plate. Now I will put little oil. 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. I will add the black pepper, curry leaves, tamarind, cumin seeds, methi seeds. The sesame seeds is already roasted, so I will add that directly into the mix. I'll add the coconut also. We'll add the hing powder and the turmeric powder in this, and the sesame seed also. Nice aroma comes out of it. Now this is done. I'll remove this also into the plate. Little oil I have put it. We'll put the chili in this. Roast this till it is crisp and add to the mix and make a fine powder of this. First I ground the chili, then I have added the other things. Now little salt also I am going to put it on this. The powder is ready. Now we have to temper all these items like mustard seeds, chana dal, urad dal, red chilli, peanut, curry leaves in sesame oil and mix with the powder. I am not going to mix this in this powder because I am going to make the puliyodare now. So in that only I will directly mix it. If you are mixing it in this mix, then you will have to consume it very fast within a week or two, because the peanut will give a different kind of smell if you keep it for a long time. So as soon as you make this powder, it's better to use it within a month's time at least. You have to finish it off and refrigerate it so that it won't get that smell of that peanut. Just break this lumps if any like this. The powder tastes good. Two teaspoons of oil I have put it in this. I'll put the peanut in it. I've kept the rice ready. Fry the peanut. After making the powder, I felt 1 heaped tablespoon of tamarind we can take and reduce the quantity of black pepper from 1 tablespoon to 1 teaspoon. This is half done. At this time we will add the mustard seeds in it, chana dal, urad dal, curry leaves, the detailed ingredients and the quantity I will give it in the description box. This is done. Now I'll add the spice mix in it and the rice also. Salt I have to add for the rice. So the puliyodare is also ready, or spice mix is ready. The puliyodare premix is ready. Puliyodare rice also ready here. Thank you so much for watching the video. Subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment. If you are watching for the first time, do subscribe, press the bell icon and all button so that you will get the notifications as soon as I upload the video. Eat healthy, stay healthy. See you soon with another interesting recipe. Till then, bye bye.